Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make cakes, meat pies, ring donuts, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make jollof rice and fried rice for all events and occasions. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. Guys, as we all know, this is a very festive season, and also this month stands for the most precious month in my life because it's your girl's birthday this month and there's a whole lot to be celebrated. Since this month is my birthday month and also Christmas, I would like to call this month December to remember. Oh yes, it's indeed December to remember. And with that being said, I want to seize this opportunity to wish each and every December born here a very happy birthday. Not forgetting myself as well. And I would also like to wish each and everyone a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. We hope that next year brings us so much good and so much happiness and also strong faith in God. In today's video, we are going to make an incredibly delicious and soft banana and dark chocolate chip bread. This is also called a banana loaf cake. Ingredients for today's recipe include 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, 6 ripe large bananas, 2 room temperature eggs, half cup of butter, half cup of dark chocolate chips, 3/4 cup of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half tablespoon of baking soda, half tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. You could also use soft flour. We will also be using half cup of vegetable oil. Stay tuned and let's get started. Preheat your oven for about 10 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. Let's begin by sifting the dry ingredients. Pour the flour into a sieve on top of a mixing bowl and then sift it. Add in the cornstarch, the baking powder, the baking soda, and the salt and sift it onto the flour as well. Add in the nutmeg and sift it too. Give everything a good mix and set it aside. After combining the dry ingredients, pick up your loaf tin, grease it lightly with the homemade cake release and then line it with the baking paper. Ensure that there are longer edges so that when the cake is baked, you can remove it out of the baking tin very easily. Moving on to the wet ingredients. Pick 1 banana, peel it off the peel and then break it into 3 parts and place it in the bowl. Do the same for all the bananas and then dispose of the banana peels. Now use a potato masher to mash the banana pieces in the bowl. Ensure that everything is mashed and then set it aside. Into another mixing bowl, scoop the butter, add in the oil and the sugar. With the aid of a hand mixer, combine everything together until light and fluffy. add in the eggs one at a time and then mix it into the sugar, oil, butter mixture under 2 minutes best. After that, add in the vanilla essence and mix it into the batter. Add in the banana mixture and mix it into the batter. When everything gets incorporated, introduce the dry ingredients. Combine both the wet and dry ingredients together until there are no streaks of flour in it. Add in the chocolate chips and mix it into the cake batter. Moving on to the baking of the cake or bread. Pour the cake batter into the paper-lined baking tin. Make sure it is halfway filled. And then level the top with the spatula. After that, sprinkle some of the dark chocolate chips on it. Pat it on the floor for about 2 seconds and then pop it into your oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. After 30 minutes, this is our banana bread or our banana loaf cake with dark chocolate chip topping. Use a knife to slice some of the banana bread or loaf cake. It's very soft and moist to the touch, and it's incredibly delicious. Try this recipe at home with your friends and family this holiday season and let me know how it was in the comment section. With that being said, we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Guys, subscribing to the channel is a way to promote my content to so many people, and this will also help us get equipment that we need to promote this business as well. So I'll be very grateful if you could subscribe right now if you are new here. Kindly join the beloved Gators family, and I promise you wouldn't regret it. Until we meet again, everyone, bye bye.